So as you can tell, we did get this apart and found out that it was leaking right in here, right up to there. But you can also see there it's got a little bit of, I don't know if you guys can see that, a little bit of cylinder wearage, I guess maybe where the oil was dripping, where it was so hot. Scarring it a little bit, but we'll hone that out, make that brand new again. And well, we took those cylinder heads off, thought it was going to be like 4 weeks to get those done from Fraley's in Mount Sterling. That does a really good job. The guy, he had some bad health issues there for a while, didn't think he's ever going to get back to working on the heads again, but we did get those back from the machine shop. As you can see, already got them back. We already disassembled them, everything checked out, put brand new valve stem seals in, got that head surface there clean and ready to go back. But today we're actually going to be cleaning the gunk out of this engine bay, all that old oil residue. Now there's a trick that I'm going to share with you guys on this, and what we use to clean it. It's probably going to surprise you unless you've already known it. So we're going to get this thing pushed outside and commence on cleaning this bad boy up right here. And we're probably going to actually clean the block as well.